Kadena is up 31% in the last 24 hours. And if you guys have been following me on Twitter, you guys know that I did call this pattern out. A very, very simple pattern right here. So KDA was obviously correcting on the 8-hour time frame. We needed to have that pullback after swinging to the highs right here. Came back, retested right here the local support before exploding and breaking out again. Now in this video we're going to be having a look at KDA. We're also going to be having a look at the Bitcoin dominance, which I just want to get into just a second. But of course, if you guys do want to support my work right here, you guys can go ahead and do so. Click on the Patreon. This is only if you're serious about making money. If you're not serious, of course you don't essentially have to sign up. But this was one of my tweets yesterday. I said I'm about to make an insane drop my Patreon diamond group. If you're serious about making money, Cyber Monday ends in 3 hours. Link is in the description. Okay, and I made a fire call, and if you guys join right now, it might not be too late. The breakout is actually happening right now as we're speaking, and as I'm making this video, you might have like 30 minutes left. But you guys can see right here, it does start at $69. This is a diamond package right here, and you get access to pretty much all of this. But if you just want to support me because you like my work on what I do on KDA, you could go ahead and do the supporter tier. I would really appreciate it. If not, I would really appreciate it if you guys smash that subscribe button, leave a like, turn notification bells on so you guys never miss a video. Anyways, having a look at KDA right here on the monthly time frame, KDA is about to break one of the most important local resistance right here, sitting at $1.50. If we have a closure or even peak above it, it doesn't really have to be closure on the weekly or the monthly, but we're most likely going to see an all-time high, and I'm saying an all-time high that we have not seen in a very long time. Obviously, we know what the all-time high is of KDA, sitting at $28, $29. Of course, it's not really showing it on Binance right here. But you guys can see right here, $1.45 is currently traded. If we have a look on the max right here and we hit the log, I like to go with the log, not with the regular. You guys can see right here, it's $24. Some exchanges peaked at $28. Now, what's really impressive about KDA is this, the volume. $104 million traded in the last 24 hours. So 25% of the market cap approximately is being traded. And this is what we want to see. We want to see a lot of money flowing. We want to see a lot of volume being traded. We want to see adoption. We want to see KDA. We want to see a lot of interest. And that's why KDA is absolutely pumping right now. So things are pretty much looking good. Before I have a look right here on the lower time frames, I do want to have a look at the Bitcoin dominance on the weekly time frame. So we know, guys, historically, the Bitcoin dominance, we know what it is. We know what it does. The Bitcoin dominance has not broken the downwards trend, or this trend, actually, this exponential moving average, since January 2023. So this is what, 2 years from now? Obviously, if this does happen, we're about to see one of the biggest altcoin season we probably have ever seen in history of crypto. We're most likely going to see the Bitcoin dominance crash down all the way to 41%. Now, what's interesting about this is that a lot of these OG coins are making a comeback. That's how you know the real altcoin season is here. We have not seen these altcoins, these OG altcoins pump since the 2018 bear market. So obviously this is a very, very bullish sign, guys. And pretty much that's about it. If we have a look right here on KDA on the 8-hour time frame, you guys can see right here, if I pull up these exponential moving average, I mean, they've been respecting really, really well these exponential moving average. So pretty much ever since the election, I don't know how many times I'm going to say that, we've pretty much came back down and retested these exponential moving average multiple times. A lot of people in my Discord were asking, they're like, yo, Dose, when is the good time to essentially buy KDA? Is it too late? What's going on? And I told them it's best to essentially wait for a retest on these EMA ribbons. It doesn't matter if it's the 8-hour or 4-hour. Preferably, I like to do it on the 8-hour time frame, but of course, 4-hour works as well. You could have DCA'd right here and DCA'd right here. It's good, a dollar cost average inside these exponential moving average right here. But overall, in the 8-hour, you guys can see what happened. We came back, retested, barely closed below the 20 exponential moving average right here, which is the yellow line. Boom, and then rejected and bounce back off. Now, of course, if you're someone that likes to play and trade KDA, you could be making a lot of money. 30% in the last 24 hours. That's a lot of money, guys. I mean, if you're playing with 10x leverage, 15x leverage, you're looking roughly at anywhere between 300 to 400% gain in a matter of what, a few hours. So obviously this is pretty good. This is pretty darn bullish in my opinion. The 8-hour is about to have a very, very strong closure, especially the 4-hour right here ends in 18 seconds. I mean, this is a very, very bullish closure right here. But of course, if we have a look at the 12-hour, I mean, this is just even more bullish right here. I mean, we have not seen this type of action in KDA. And I know a lot of people are like, oh, KDA can go back to the all-time highs. That's where the last bull market was, guys. Guys, this right here was not a bull market. Whoever thinks that KDA was in a bull market back in 2023 or 2024, 2023. This rally right here was not a bull market. This was a relief bounce from this bear market. Okay, you can't always go down and down and down. You have to essentially go, you have to correct a little bit. And pretty much this is the exact same thing what will happen in this upcoming bull market, right? We're going to go up, 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 and then at one point we're most likely going to have some sort of correction before going up again. So this is not the end, and in my opinion, this will most likely going to break this resistance right here in the next coming days, if not the next coming weeks. I guaranteed of it. We're most likely going to break $2 and close above it on the monthly time frame, and pretty much that's about it. January is going to be crazy, guys. If you guys do like this video, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, and of course, if you want to join my Discord, I know I do have a VIP zone right here for Patreon, members only, but you guys could get access to the free one, which is the general chat, the trading chat, the meme chat. I also do have a trading P&L right here, new video, sports bar, cigar lounge, whatever you guys want. Make sure you guys click on the description below if you guys aren't interested. Peace out, have a good day, and happy altcoin season.